Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong while you are trying to unrestrict your friend. So guys, if you have restricted your friend to chat or something else and you want to unrestrict him and it's showing an error or something went wrong, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So I have some methods to fix this problem. So firstly guys, let me tell you that you have to wait for 1 or 4 hours, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to offload the app or cleared cache of the app. Okay guys, if you have an Android phone, just simply go to settings and just simply look here for app management, and then you have to search for Instagram. Okay guys, and then you have to clear cache and storage. And if you have an iPhone, just simply go to the iPhone storage and just simply look here for Instagram and just simply offload the app and then reinstall it, and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And if the palm still is there, then what you need to do guys is just simply log in your account in your friend's phone and then try to do it again. If it's not working for you, then I have a method for you to solve this problem. So for that you have to open Instagram and then you have to tap on your profile here, and now tap on three lines. And now after that guys, you have to go to settings, and now from here just simply go and then just simply tap on help, then tap on report a problem. Now after that guys, you have to tap on this one, and now tap on include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. And just simply tap on upload and it will redirect to your gallery, and then you have to take the screenshot of your problem. Okay guys, just simply take the screenshot and just simply upload here and just simply tap on send. Okay guys, and after that your request will be sent and Instagram team will contact with you and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.